If you want to add in background music, then what you can do is you can go around and add it from your computer. That is the one way. But if you want to go around and utilize stock audio that you can access through CapCut, then on the left hand side you can go to the audio section right here. And over here in the audio section, you can see that there are different audio that you can choose from right here, just like this. Like, let's say, for example, there's aesthetic right here. If I were to press the play button, that is the audio clip that there is. Press the plus button and it gets added in onto the timeline, just like this. Similarly, you can go around and search for sound effects over here as well. Like there's, for example, taking a photo right here. So this is what you have. And if I were to go around and, let's say, for example, place it right around over here and press the play button, you can hear out the audio effect as well. So there's a lot of effects that you can see right here, and you can go around right here onto music and search for specific music as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to type in calm, let's see if something pops up right here. So there's calm down and calming video vibes and so forth, as you can see. So in the sound effects, you don't have the search option over here, but there's a lot of library, as you can see. Like there's animals, there's magic, ambient, slop, mechanic, and so forth that you can utilize for your videos. And that is how you can search and use stock audio from CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.